Hey, we've been absent for a bit. I'm back to work. We're gonna fire up the drag race truck here and we'll see what it looks like. Gotta get the cover off. Make sure you go over to John Julian and Backyard Broncos because this thing showed up in their YouTube pages. Well, that cleaned up nice. Okay, so I bumped the starter. It's a little slow, so we're going to give her a little bit of, I don't know why this is more power, but we're going to put the jumper box on it. All right, I think I see the reason why it doesn't want to do a lot of stuff for power and everything else. The battery cables look, they're kind of gross looking. Check this out. That's the happy cable. That don't look very happy. That's the sad cable. It's on upside down. That's not right. Yeah, that's the way it came. So we're going to put some jam in it. And we're going to put some power to it with the snap-on battery charger. We'll turn that up. We'll get the battery boiling a bit. And we're going to try it here. That jump box has got lots of juice. She should crank up, hopefully. It's gonna need a little bit. Hasn't run since John Julian's video. Yeah, that was a fail. I think I need to put on new battery cable ends. I have them. I just got to put them on. Yeah, like it was going so well. Apparently not. Apparently that was just... I got one done. We're going to do the next one now. Going to cut that sucker off, clean that part. And we're getting some new cables on, new ends on the cables anyway. Cables themselves might be junk. I mean, they're pretty heavy duty cables. Okay, got a new happy cable and a new sad cable end terminals put on. Let's give her a... I gotta make sure the power's on though. Hold on. Power is on. Last time I tried this, it went click, click, click. Power! Yep. So it lives. There we go. We'll shut her down now. So let's hit that key again. See what she's going to sound like with a little bit of a hot motor, not a hot starter. She don't like to refire on the hotness of her all there. Yeah, this motor is kind of sad. I'm hoping that Rick Blitz has my 429 done. And then we'll we'll redo the mess that's in here. We'll get rid of this. I forgot that still works. We'll move that. We'll clean the rest of these wires up. These are for the stereo. This is for the light for the water temperature. We'll get the water temperature all in that hooked up. These are some extra wires because the tachometer is not hooked up, but we'll get all that hooked up in here. We'll put the 429 in. I might keep this, but I might get rid of this and put a tilt column in to get it away from me because, you know, space wise I don't have it. And then put a power steering box in there, an electrical steering box, just like they have in some of the Ford Escapes and all that. But yeah, there's the lunch bucket. Fired her up for the first time this year. We're going to put some air in the tires. Won't be able to take it for a drive because it's not insured for the road. Big deal there. And yeah, we'll get her all cleaned up and get her ready for the summertime fun. And hopefully we'll get that motor swapped out. I'm pointing at it, but you can't see my hand. That motor over there under the hood. We'll replace the hood with one that doesn't have a hole in it. So, yeah.